Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all well. And the weather. It's raining. Earlier on, it was really nice. The sun was out, and I was actually watching the birds earlier on. But suddenly, now we have rain showers. Look, I'm just showing you those tree over there with lovely, beautiful berries on them. We have tidied up the garden, we have to paint the fences. We'll be doing that tomorrow. You can see the mint in the back, and it's just been rain throughout July and even August. That's all we've had for the last couple of months, rain. I've put all those they're all the tree branches on that plant pot over there. What I'm going to do is make any ideas what I should be making with those. I was thinking of doing some deco for home, or can make candles holders with those ones. When I find out, let's see what I'm going to do with those logs. Any suggestions, please do give me ideas in inbox. Thank you. Right, take care everyone, and have a lovely day. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, and thank you so much for watching. Now I'm just going to make breakfast now. Thanks. Bye.